What are called asteroids? Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the Sun. They are also known as minor planets or planetoids. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt, a region between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. However, some asteroids have orbits that bring them closer to Earth, and these are known as near-Earth asteroids, NEAs. Asteroids are believed to be remnants from the early formation of the solar system, and studying them can help scientists better understand the processes that occurred during this time. Some asteroids are composed of metal, while others are made up of rock and dust. They vary in size from small boulders to large objects several hundred kilometers in diameter. Some asteroids have impacted the Earth in the past, and such impacts can have devastating effects. The most famous example of an asteroid impact is the one that is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago. Today, scientists study asteroids and work to develop methods for deflecting them in case one is found to be on a collision course with Earth. In addition to their scientific importance and potential impact hazard, asteroids have also been studied as potential resources for space exploration and exploitation. Some asteroids are rich in valuable minerals, such as platinum and gold, and may contain water that could be used to support human exploration missions. Several space missions have been sent to study asteroids, including the Japanese Hayabusa and Hayabusa 2 missions, which returned samples from the asteroid Itokawa and the asteroid Ryugu, respectively. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission is currently in the process of collecting a sample from the asteroid Bennu, which it will return to Earth in 2023. Overall, asteroids are fascinating objects that offer insights into the history of the solar system and the potential for space exploration and resource utilization. However, they also pose a potential threat to our planet, and it is important to continue studying them in order to better understand and prepare for any potential impact events. What asteroid will hit Earth in? As of my knowledge cutoff date in September 2021, there were no known asteroids that are expected to hit the Earth in the foreseeable future. NASA's Near-Earth Object (NEO) program constantly monitors and tracks potentially hazardous asteroids, and they have not identified any asteroids that pose a significant threat to Earth in the next century. However, there is always a possibility of discovering new asteroids that were previously unknown or miscalculating the trajectory of an existing asteroid, which could result in an impact. To prepare for such an event, scientists are developing methods for detecting and tracking asteroids and working on strategies for deflecting or mitigating the effects of a potential impact. What is asteroid made of? Asteroids are made up of a variety of materials, including rock, metal, and sometimes ice. The composition of an asteroid depends on its size, location, and history. Most asteroids in the main asteroid belt, located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, are believed to be remnants from the early formation of the solar system. They are mostly composed of rock and metal, with some containing small amounts of ice. The composition of asteroids can vary greatly depending on where they formed in the solar system, as well as their history of collisions and other processes that may have altered their composition. Some asteroids, known as carbonaceous asteroids, are particularly interesting to scientists because they contain organic molecules, including amino acids, which are the building blocks of life. These asteroids may have played a role in the origin of life on Earth, as they may have delivered the necessary ingredients for life to our planet. In recent years, several space missions have been sent to study asteroids up close and even return samples to Earth. By analyzing these samples, scientists can learn more about the composition and history of these objects and gain insights into the early history of our solar system. What are 3 types of asteroids? There are several types of asteroids, but here are 3 of the most common types. C-type asteroids. These are the most common type of asteroid and are believed to be composed of carbonaceous material. They are dark in color and have a low albedo, which means they do not reflect much light. C-type asteroids are typically found in the outer regions of the asteroid belt and are thought to be rich in water and organic compounds. S-type asteroids. These are the second most common type of asteroid and are believed to be composed of stony material. They are brighter than C-type asteroids and have a higher albedo. S-type asteroids are typically found in the inner regions of the asteroid belt and are thought to be rich in metallic minerals. M-type asteroids. These are metallic asteroids that are believed to be the remnants of the cores of small planetesimals that were destroyed during the early formation of the solar system. They are relatively rare, making up only about 10% of all known asteroids. M-type asteroids are typically found in the middle region of the asteroid belt and are thought to be rich in iron, nickel, and other metals. What asteroid killed the dinosaurs? The asteroid that is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs and many other species at the end of the Cretaceous period is known as the Chicxulub impactor. This asteroid is estimated to have been about 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, and it impacted the Earth around 66 million years ago, in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. The impact of the Chicxulub asteroid is thought to have caused a global catastrophe, resulting in massive wildfires, earthquakes, tsunamis, and a prolonged period of darkness and cold due to the dust and debris thrown into the atmosphere. This would have had a devastating impact on the global ecosystem, causing the extinction of many plant and animal species, including the dinosaurs. The evidence for the Chicxulub impact comes from a layer of sediment found all over the world that dates back to the time of the impact. This sediment layer contains a high concentration of iridium, which is rare in Earth's crust but common in asteroids and other extraterrestrial objects. This suggests that the iridium was deposited by the impact of the asteroid, providing strong evidence for its existence and impact on Earth. Can NASA stop an asteroid? NASA and other space agencies are developing methods to deflect or destroy potentially hazardous asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth. There are several approaches that have been proposed or are under development, including kinetic impactor. This involves sending a spacecraft to collide with an asteroid at high speed, in order to change its trajectory. The impact would provide a force to deflect the asteroid away from Earth. Gravity tractor. This involves using the gravitational pull of a spacecraft to gradually change the trajectory of an asteroid over a long period of time. The spacecraft would fly close to the asteroid, and its gravitational pull would gradually alter the asteroid's course. Nuclear explosive device. This involves using a nuclear explosion to destroy or deflect an asteroid. This is considered a last resort, as it is a risky approach that could create additional hazards. While NASA is constantly monitoring and tracking potentially hazardous asteroids, the agency has not yet needed to use any of these methods to deflect or destroy an asteroid. NASA and other space agencies are working to develop the necessary technology and capabilities to respond to any potential threats in the future.
Subscribe for more horrors and mysterious videos. Thanks.